you didn't get poorer this month. The grocery store just shrunk your favorite chocolate bar by exact 3 squares. You're purchasing the exact same grocery list for the exact same total cost, but your household is running out of food days earlier than normal. While the news constantly screams about record-high inflation, the specific items you buy every day seem completely immune to price hikes. Corporate finance teams are still passing the costs of inflation onto you. They are just hiding those costs in the blind spots of the transaction. This is the invisible tax. That emptying pantry is the direct result of a billion-dollar financial strategy designed to manipulate your sensory perception. Supply chain crises disrupt global shipping routes, forcing boardroom panic as the cost of raw materials suddenly skyrockets. This creates shrinkflation.
Engineers maintain a product's physical footprint while quietly reducing its internal volume, tapering a bottle's neck, or adding a deeper concave dimple to a jar's base. This chart shows how a 5% reduction in product weight transforms into capital. Shaving that small amount across tens of millions of units globally generates massive savings for the corporation. This works because of price memory. The human brain triggers an immediate, aggressive rejection of a 50-cent price increase, but often fails to notice a 10% reduction in physical mass. Modern product packaging serves as a calculated financial instrument used to offset macroeconomic shifts in secret. Eventually, shrinkflation hits a physical limit. A product cannot get any smaller without breaking the illusion and triggering consumer outrage. This is when companies turn to skimflation. They shift from physical engineering to chemical formulation, quietly swapping premium ingredients for cheaper, lower-quality alternatives. Finance teams mandate the removal of high-quality ingredients like real cocoa butter to save on commodity costs. They replace that quality with heavily processed, mass-produced substitutes like palm oil to artificially maintain the product's texture and weight. Because the logos and colorful branding remain identical, your established trust in the brand disguises the chemical downgrade. You end up paying the same premium price for an objectively inferior product, quietly breaking the original value exchange. Global supply chains eventually stabilize, and the high cost of materials begins to melt away, returning to normal. But the products rarely return to their original size or recipe. The shrunken, degraded version becomes the permanent new baseline. By keeping costs low and prices identical after the crisis ends, corporations create a permanent, exponential expansion of their profit margins. A dollar's worth of goods is an illusion of shared trust, one that massive institutions are constantly rewriting to their advantage. To protect yourself, stop trusting the size of the box and the large price tag on the shelf. These are designed to deceive you. The only way to spot the invisible tax is to ignore the branding and rigorously evaluate the microscopic unit pricing and the ingredient lists on the back of the package.